friends, welcome to our online study YouTube channel. Today we will study part of speech. For more videos and updates, please subscribe our channel. Now let's begin. There are 8 parts of speech in the English language. Now, noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. The part of a speech indicates how the word functions in meaning as well as grammatically within the sentence. An individual word can function as more than one part of speech when used in different circumstances. Understanding parts of speech is essential for determining the correct definition of a word when using the dictionary. Noun. A noun is the name of a person, place, thing or idea. Example: man, college, house, happiness. A noun is a word for a person, place, thing or an idea. Nouns are often used with an article, but not always. Proper noun always start with a capital letter. Common nouns do not. Noun can be singular, plural, concrete or abstract. Nouns of possession by addings. Noun can function in different roles within a sentence. For example, a noun can be a subject, direct object, indirect object, subject, complement or object of a preposition. For example, the young girl brought me a very long letter from the teacher and then she quickly disappeared. Oh my. Next, pronoun. A pronoun is a word used in place of noun. Example: she, we, they, it. A pronoun is the word used in place of a noun. A pronoun is usually substituted for a specific noun, which is called its antecedent. In the sentence above, the antecedent for the pronoun she is a girl. Pronouns are further defined by type. Personal pronouns refer to specific persons or things. Possessive pronouns indicates ownership. Reflexive pronouns are used to emphasize another noun or pronoun. Relative pronouns introduce a subordinate clause, and demonstrative pronouns identify, point to or reference to noun. The young girl brought me a very long letter from the teacher and then she quickly disappeared. Oh my. Here, me and she are pronouns. Verb. A verb expresses action or being. Example: jump, is, write, become. The verb is a sentence expresses action or being. There is a main verb and sometimes one or more helping verbs. She can sing. Sing is the main verb. Can is helping verb. A verb must agree with its subject in number. Both are singular or both are plural. Verb also take different form to express tenses. The young girl brought me a very long letter from the teacher and then she quickly disappeared. Oh my. Next, adjective. An adjective modifies or describes a noun or pronoun. Pretty, old, blue, smart. An adjective is a word used to modify or describe a noun or pronoun. It usually answers the question of which one, what kind or how many. are usually classified as adjective. The young girl brought me a very long letter from the teacher and then she quickly disappeared. Oh my. Adverb. An adverb modifies or describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Gently, extremely, carefully, well. An adverb describes or modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb, but never a noun. It usually answers the question of when, where, how, why, under what condition, or to what degree. Adverb often in ly. The young girl brought me a very long letter from the teacher and then she quickly disappeared. Oh my. Preposition. A preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun to form a phrase modifies another word in the sentence. By, with, about, until. By the tree, with our friends, about the book, until tomorrow. A preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun to form a phrase modifying another word in the sentence. Therefore, a preposition is always part of prepositional phrase. The prepositional phrase almost always functions as an adjective or as an adverb. The following list includes the most common prepositions. The young girl brought me a very long letter from the teacher and then she quickly disappeared. Oh my, here the from is a preposition, right? Next, conjunction. A conjunction joins words, phrases or clauses. Example, and, but, or, while, because. A conjunction joins words, phrases, clauses and indicates the relationship between the elements joined. Coordinating conjunctions connect grammatically equal elements and, but, or, not, for, so, yet. Subordinating conjunction connect clauses that are not equal, because, although, while, since, etc. There are other type of conjunction as well. For example, the young girl brought me a very long letter from the teacher and then she quickly disappeared. Here, the and joins two things. So, and is conjunction. Next, interjection. An interjection is a word used to express emotion like oh, wow, oops. An interjection is a word used to express emotion. It is often followed by exclamation point. For example, the young girl brought me a very long letter from the teacher and then she quickly disappeared. Oh my. Here, the oh my is interjection which is used with the sign of exclamation. Thank you for listening my videos.